laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, be sure to check your seat pockets, the overhead bins, and floor area around your seat for any personal articles you may have brought on board. We invite you to visit delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta Sky Team, our global partners, especially this whole Detroit-based crew, thank you for flying with us today. We've enjoyed having you